guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki. For those of you who may not know, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know every time that I am dropping a new video. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me. In today's video, it will be very short, very brief. I am giving y'all the absolute facts on how to make easy passive income. It may not be hundreds and thousands of dollars, but it doesn't take long, and you don't have to do surveys entirely. You can do other things. There is ways out there that actually exist where you can watch ads or watch videos or play games in order to make some type of income, whether it's that $5 to put in your tank or the $10 towards groceries at the dollar store for snacks for your child or for your siblings. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you guys my honest truth and my experience doing these things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, if you watch videos on YouTube, you're probably 99 out of 100 that actually skip through those videos. It's like 10 ways to make passive income, $1,000 in a week. It's not that easy, and whatever they're telling you is a lie. Now, disclaimer, I'm not saying that every person that says that is a liar, sorry, but there are ways that they how can I say it, that they sugarcoat. They say you can make $1,000 in a week, but 9 times out of 10 that's because somebody's already been doing it, or this person has found ways that I am not aware of and I'm a regular person that they have done to make $1,000 on these sites. Now, the person that I got this idea from, I will leave his channel down in the description box below, because he actually inspired me to make this video, because he was one out of 5 people that I looked at top rated on YouTube for this type of video, and he actually gave me honest feedback on it. So we're going to go over those sites. I'm not going to be showing my face for the rest of it because it's going to be screen recordings and then some ratchet recording of me actually on my computer. But basically I'm showing you guys ways to make, $5, $10, $20 or $30 even, if you're the type of person that after you leave work you come home and that's all you do for the rest of the week. You're a homebody and you got nothing to do but watch TV or play games. You can actually do those things online on your phone or on your tablet or on your laptop and actually make money for it, whether it's 25 cents at a time. Take that 25 cents and multiply it by how many hours you're not working, and boom, that's your passive income. So we're going to get into the video. If you guys like this video, like I said, give it a like, and if you have any questions, please make sure you comment down in the comment section below, or message me, DM me, whatever. Make sure you are following me on my social media. I'm going to include it in the screen somewhere and then I'm also going to put it in the description box below. And as well as that, I want you guys to click on the links below, because if these sites are not the sites that you have been told, 9 times out of 10 is those other survey sites that ask you surveys and then don't give you your rewards, or you can't redeem them for anything, and then they send you to another survey site. So if there's any other sites that y'all have heard of other than the ones that I'm going to list below, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section, or anybody else in the comment section know. Alright y'all, here we go with this screen recording again. I apologize for flipping it this way. This is so you guys can see the whole screen and not see it vertically. But here is my account for Survey Junkie, the first website that we are talking about. As you can see, this one only does surveys. Hurrah, start your reward earning journey, blah blah blah. So basically what it's saying is to start with the surveys at the top, because they are the ones that's most available for you. And I just went ahead and clicked on a random survey to show you guys the whole process and how easily you can get points. So I'm just going to put in some basic information. They always ask for like your age, your demographic in your area, not necessarily your exact address, but like your state and your city. And then I'm just clicking on random things. You want to be honest, but when it comes to the longer surveys, I get aggravated very easily, so I just start putting stuff that I think that the survey will like. But I'm not completely telling a story. And as you can see, it wasn't qualified for me, but I did get easily 3 points. And as you can see, it says redeemable. Basically, that means how much money you get. So every time you get points, you get money. So the redeemable amount is $5. I'm almost at $5. I haven't been on this one a lot because it is strictly surveys, but as you can see, it gives you other surveys to take. So I'm just going to click on one, and basically it says, you know, sign up for it and then you'll get points on Survey Junkie. But I didn't want to do all of that because 9 times out of 10 I have most of them from trying from other YouTubers saying that, oh, this one will give you money, $60 in 60 minutes. So I was just like, I'm not going to go through that. So here you can see it says to redeem $5 you need 69 points. So I have 431 points, and the points count for the dollar. So if you have, let's say, 10,000 points, that's $10. And here I'm showing you actual proof of the surveys that I did. So as you can see, I did a lot of surveys alone today, and as you can see, most of them have 3 and 2 points. That's from the surveys that I didn't qualify for, but the ones that are much higher are the ones that I actually took the time to do. I think they were like 17 and 10 minutes. And if you go lower and lower, you can see that it'll tell you the difference. Like the ones that say survey ID are the actual surveys, and the ones that say the other things are the surveys or the little questionnaires that's brought to you by Survey Junkie, and those only take like 5 minutes. And here's their little menu. I don't know what the diamonds mean, but when I was doing this, I noticed that the blue and the red diamonds were the ones that I was most qualified for. And remember when I mentioned how it has the survey ID and then the other ones have like your health, oh, there it goes, the health profile. Those are the ones that were given to me by Survey Junkie. So they actually give you points from time to time alone from their own website. So here we are on the next website, which is Inbox Dollars. This one is actually my favorite because it is so easy, and I literally do it without even thinking that I'm doing it, only because it has so many options to earn money on it. So as you can see, I'm around $9. The only sad part about this is that it's so easy to make money, but the minimum that you have to have in order to cash out is $30. Now, with those $30, with the Survey Junkie and for this website, you deposit the $30 or the $5 into your PayPal account. I believe that if you don't have a PayPal account, these two also do a other site that I haven't been familiar with, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click through and show you guys basically the offers that it gives you. As you can see, this is Lyft. It basically tells you if you create an account, it'll give you a certain amount of money. As you can see, Postmates is $20. So you can easily, if you want to do these things, which is also another easy way to make passive income. If you want to do Lyft, DoorDash, or Postmates, you can easily sign up and like do your first delivery or something, or just sign up period and get approved, and then boom, $20. And if I were to do it and put it into my income now, I would easily get $29. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the menu. These are the offers that they usually offer. I don't usually click on these ones because there are ones that you have to actually sign up for or you have to pay for. And when I say pay, I mean like $1 or $2 because they have like these free trials. That's another good thing about this site. If you want to do something like HelloFresh or what's that wine thing? It's like Wine Cellar or Cork or something like that, and you get like multiple bottles of wine for like $50, and it'll give you like your first month $1 only. And I'm showing you guys this because this is the TV portion of Inbox Dollars. You can literally watch videos and earn like 2 or 3 cents, or you can earn scratch rewards, which is basically, you know, the scratch and win things you get at the gas station. You can do that, or you can search up something. Literally it's like Google but for Inbox Dollars, and you can either use it as your regular search engine, and then boom, you get like scratch rewards easily every day. But it does limit you on your like how many scratches you can get. As you can see, I have a scratch and win 1 for this week, and I already got my weekly last week or this week, but today's Saturday, so it counts it as the whole week. And if you noticed before in the video, it said that I won $1. That's because I completed a task that they give weekly, and basically it's like, oh, get 4 scratch and win progresses for watching 5 videos. So it'll give you daily tasks like that, and this is the scratch and win I'm talking about. You can win up to $10, $25, and $100. You can either scratch the 10, or you can keep moving up the scale or scratch for 25. But basically that's the scratch and win, and you don't have to pay for it, unlike going into a gas station and paying $1 or $3 for a scratch and win. It's completely free, and then you get more cents out of it. Another thing that you can get money for is paid emails. Now, it does not mean how it sounds. You don't have to pay for the email. It's basically you just check your inbox and confirm that you read this email, and then boom, you win this spin, or you win scratch and win progress. And with the spin, you can land on $5, $10, or something like that. And then, it's just more progress towards your account and more income. Now, the other thing that I love and that I really honestly truly get on this site for is the games. I play this game all the time. I didn't mean to use tits, but it was the first word that I saw. So, and the best part about it is like words that you would never thought existed, and you can connect them anyway. It's not like a crossword puzzle where you have to go diagonally or horizontally or cross and cross. You can actually go in whichever order you feel. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys me playing the game, and notice the scratch and win progress, how it grows after I complete the first level. That's another thing I forgot to mention, but it hasn't showed up. Oh, there you go. I grew some progress in the scratch and win, but it will give you daily questions, and it'll be like, who was the first person to use a alarm clock? And then if you answer it right, which I just googled the questions, then you get a scratch and win progress. Now, another advantage that you have on here is coupons. If you're a coupon shopper, which is why I say you can use these sites for anything. Well, at least this one and the next one that I'm going to talk about, which is swag bucks. You can use these for almost anything, for gift cards, for discounts. If y'all are familiar with WikiBuy or Honest, how it gives you a percentage off of certain items, or it compares them for you. These sites are almost like that. As you can see, you can print off coupons, and just by printing off coupons, one or the 25 every day, that's literally 25 cents every day going towards your account. Like, can you imagine walking around and finding a quarter every day? Like 4 days and you find quarters, boom, you have $1. Like, can you imagine doing that? If money was that easy, I'd honestly would have been collecting it this whole time growing up, because can you imagine how many quarters I've saw on the ground? Okay, so I'm back on Inbox Dollars, and this is what I was talking about my ratchet screen recording of my laptop. So I'm just showing you guys, if I were to hover over these options, you can see like what it says or what it requires. And then I'm also going to show you guys the whole video portion where you can actually just simply watch videos that's like 30 seconds and basically get paid for those videos like 3 cents or 2 cents. Now here is the shopping portion. Like I mentioned, you can create an account for some of these sites like Fingerhut, and if you get approved, then 1.5% cash back on your items just for signing up through this site. So it has its advantages without you trying to earn passive income. You can save money, and if you notice in the corner it says get 2 times progress if you complete this certain survey. So if I were to complete the survey and then watch the video, I would get double the scratch and win progress. But I'm just showing you guys the video and how short it is and how it gains more progress on my scratch and win if you keep an eye on the bar. And just like that, with a almost 30-second video, I've gained progress on my scratch. Okay, so now we're entering into Swag Bucks, and this site I only recommend it because it does more than just surveys. And as you can see, this is my inbox, this is daily offers. Again, I apologize for my boyfriend making noise in the background, but these are multiple options that you can choose from. You can shop for gift cards on this site, you can transfer your points for PayPal cash or whatever you feel like doing. It's just something to keep your mind open because there's always things you can do on this website. If you're a person that you like pizza or you don't like shopping, like you can sign up for Instacart and get a discount off of it, or you can sign up for Domino's coupons without having to constantly get it out of the mail. Like, it's just other things. Like, as you can see, Waldo for contact lenses. If you don't want to just simply sign up, if you want to sign up and you want to get discounts on your first box, or you want to get a month free trial for only $1, this is the site to go to, or this is the site that I've used besides WikiBuy and Honey. So I'm just going to go through and show you guys the benefits of having this. Now again, with this one and Inbox Dollars, you have multiple options, but this one, it has the most because it has multiple gift cards. It even has a Dunkin' Donuts $3 gift card. So like, come on, like you just want a simple coffee in the morning and you've been on this site all morning just watching videos or something, and you're like, oh my gosh, I want a Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Boom, you can get a coffee worth $2 or $1.89. Like, you don't have to just do surveys. That's what I hate about YouTubers who post these videos like this, because they don't tell you the other things. They just want you to click on their link and sign up and promise you that you're going to make all this money. They don't break down the website. They don't tell you that, oh, you may have to buy this amount of money to get these amount of points, or you can watch this 50-minute long video and do this, or you have to go through all of these surveys and see which one you're approved for, and then you get 25 points or you get 2 cents. They don't tell you that. They just tell you that, oh, this person made this amount of money in a week, let's see what you can do. And it's not that easy, and it's sad because there's a lot of people out here that look for other options for income, especially if they're like struggling like really bad, and they look to them for advice and they give them straight bullshit. So it's actually sad. But these are the sites I recommend, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said again, please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions.